Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. 5 best foods to transform your physique. Your diet plays a key role in physique transformation, fat loss, muscle growth and health. Research has shown we are creatures of habit. Most of us eat the same 10 to 20 foods. Here are 5 top foods that transform your body in 4 weeks. Number 1. Avocado. Avocados are a unique food, and despite popular belief, they are classed as a fruit and not a vegetable. As with other fruits, avocados are extremely nutrient-dense. One serving provides high amounts of vitamin K, C, B5, B6 and E. They also contain key minerals, such as folate, potassium and smaller amounts of magnesium and manganese, copper, iron and zinc. The real benefit of avocados is its healthy fat content. They are full of monounsaturated fat, which is key fat for fighting heart disease. Similarly to olive oil, these fats can help reduce inflammation and may have beneficial effects on markers of cancer. For your physique transformation, avocados are packed with fiber and slow-releasing energy from the fats. One study found people who ate avocados felt 23% more satiated, and had 28% less desire to eat over the next 5 hours. Number 2. Steak. Steak packs numerous health benefits. Known as the muscle-building meat, steak has an amazing amino acid protein profile. Furthermore, it contains key nutrients such as vitamin B12, B3, B6, iron, zinc, selenium and various other vitamins and minerals. Unprocessed steak contains a perfect amount of healthy fats, including healthy saturated fat and omega-3s. Meats such as steak also contain creatine, the world's #1 muscle-building and high-intensity supplement. Number 3. Eggs. A protein-packed superfood that has been successfully used by bodybuilders for decades. They are loaded with nutrients, including vitamin A, B5, B12, B2, D, folate, phosphorus and selenium. Although they are high in cholesterol, they do not negatively affect your blood or body's cholesterol levels. In fact, they will help improve healthy HDL levels. Eggs also have an exclusive amino acid profile and one of the best forms of protein on the market, helping you achieve both muscle growth and fat loss. They are also carb-free and can be high in omega-3 fats if you buy the right type. This powerful combo is a great strategy for rapid fat loss. Number 4. Dark berries. Often termed as a superfood, these low-calorie fruits are extremely nutrient-dense. For example, a whole cup of blueberries equals only around 80 calories, and contains a high amount of fiber, 5G, vitamin C, K and manganese. Although berries won't help you pack on pounds of muscle, they are a great transformation tool due to their high fiber content, low calorie content and being about 85% water. They keep you feeling fuller for longer. Berries also top the list as a health food, being incredibly high in disease-fighting antioxidants. This helps protect our body from cell damage and free radicals that can cause disease such as cancer. Number 5. Ezekiel Bread. Although bread and carbohydrates have received a bad rap in recent years, a targeted carbohydrate intake will actually help your transformation. While sources such as vegetables, fruit and whole foods such as potatoes should make up the majority of your carb sources, if you ever want bread, Ezekiel Bread is the best choice. Free from sugar, it is made from organic sprouted whole grain. This sprouting process changes the genetic makeup, eliminating the health issues associated with regular grain use. Being made up of 6 to 7 healthy grains and legumes, the high fiber content and relatively low energy density makes Ezekiel Bread a good alternative to processed bread or carbs, which can slow down or half your transformation. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.